Hello friend, this is Suren. You are watching my new videos. I am telling about iPhone 13 launch date coming September 2021. I will give you some details iPhone 13. iPhone 13 models at the same iPhone 12 size, a smaller notch on all four models, faster A15 Bionic clip, improved 5G with new modem, astrography features and portrait video mode, dynamic 120Hz refresh rate for Pro model displays, always on displays, improved ultra wide lens on the Pro models, larger battery expected on all four phones 13 model. iPhone 13 is closer to enjoying its time is the spotlight. Apple has yet to set a date or so of its new iPhone, but with the traditional launch month September. A few weeks away, iPhone 13 anticipation is building at the steady drumbeat of leaks. The rumors and are giving you a more complete pictures of what the iPhone will look like. Same as seems new phone launch is coming sooner rather than later. Friends, you are watching interesting videos, so please subscribe my channel What's Up Askme, and please like my videos, share my videos and press bell icon for the coming new notifications. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Friends, take a look some pics. Enjoy the moment. iPhone lover, please subscribe.